Hi, I'm Charlotte Desorgher, and I've been a belly dancer for 40 years and a teacher for more than 20 years. And over the years, I have taught literally thousands of women and men to belly dance. And my YouTube channel is dedicated to bringing you the very, very best of my teaching. So if you're an intermediate or advanced student or a teacher, I'm going to be bringing you new moves, great combinations, top quality technique, and bags of inspiration. If you're a teacher, please feel free to use anything that you learn from me in your own teaching. It's there for you to share, including the combinations. You know, I'm 62 years old now, and I've been dancing since I was 5. So I've been a dancer non-stop for nearly 60 years, and I have learned so much in those decades. And it's time for me to give back. I want to teach and inspire every dancer to be the best dancer she or he possibly can be. So please feel free to share anything that you learn in my videos, and share the videos as well. Tell your friends, and I give it all to you with love. I bring out a new video every Friday and more, so make sure that you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out. And I look forward to dancing with you.